Unaona hii nyumba moja nilikuwa na wapishi. Nyumba hiyo moja ilikuwa pana sana. Na nyumba zake
Singing Nathan. This is our church, Pefa Church. We are going now to my place. Let me show you my place. You come, you find 2 gates here. Okay, don't worry about the gate. There is gate. There is a house. There. Let me show you there. That one is new house, but there is a old house, very small. And there is the forest of Gatonyi forest. We come there. Huko juu kabisa kunaitwa kwa Jenga Karume. We go, we see, we come in now. You're going inside our house. Now see. Okay. Now we. Today's job was awesome. Yeah, no, I'm not bisharing. We are videoing. We are conjuring. Okay. See, let me come for you with your shirt. This is our house. Don't worry, we have no seat, but we have kitimoto. We have bread in case you didn't see it. Stool, 2 stools. We come here. This is a wardrobe. So we're removing the shirt, and let me check color and the trouser, so I can go, and now we can go back. This is my brother. His name is Karanja. Shika.
Abskali? Don't know where it is. Yeah, man. Conquer the Babylon soldier. Where is Suga? Sekali, eh? Oh, yeah. Ala. Si mtu anasema hili kidogo bwana. Jesus. This is how we as a Geshagi country. Asante sana mtazamaji kwa kutazama hili picha letu mwisho.